Assalamu Alaikum everyone. Just imagine this heart-pounding moment. You've applied for your US visa, your heart is full of dreams, better life, good job, family settlement in America. Everything feels so close. But then suddenly the email comes, application rejected. Or you reach the airport, TSA stops you, or something small ruins the entire plan. All your hard work, savings, hopes, gone in a second. I've heard so many real stories from Pakistani brothers and sisters. One brother cried while telling me how a tiny mistake destroyed his American dream. Today, I'm going to share 10 big mistakes Pakistanis make when traveling to the USA in 2026. Visa process, flights, TSA rules, packing, money-saving tips, everything to help you succeed, especially for families, students, and job seekers. Are you ready? Let's start right now. Watch till the end. Inshallah, your US dream will come true. Tip number 1. Keep a strong 6-month bank statement for visa. Many people show only 1-2 months and get rejected. Real story. One brother's visa was rejected because his statement was weak. Always show 6 months strong balance plus job letter or business proof. Tip number 2. Choose the right visa category. B1, B2 tourist or business, F1 student, H1B work or S-star. Wrong category, instant rejection. Make sure you pick exactly what matches your purpose. Double check before applying. Tip number 3. Flight transit time should be at least 3 hours. Most flights transit in Dubai, Istanbul, Doha. Short transit, missed connection. One group missed their flight with only 45 minutes transit. Their whole plan collapsed. Always choose safe transit times. Tip number 4. Follow TSA 311 rule for liquids. Liquids, gels, aerosols must be 100 ml or less in a clear quart-size plastic bag. One brother's perfume got confiscated at security. Don't let that happen to you. Tip number 5. Never put valuables in checked luggage. Jewelry, cash, laptop, important documents, always carry on. One brother's gold chain got lost in checked bag. His heart broke. Keep valuables safe. Tip number 6. Get travel insurance. Medical bills in USA are extremely expensive. One brother had a $10,000 hospital bill. Insurance saved him. Never travel without it. Tip number 7. Exchange currency in Pakistan. Rates in USA are bad. Get USD before leaving. Save thousands of rupees. Tip number 8. Pack warm clothes. USA winters are very cold. One family got sick from the cold. Don't forget jackets, gloves, caps. Tip number 9. Show correct address and job proof for visa. Wrong address or no job proof rejection. One brother's address was incorrect. Visa rejected. Tip number 10. Pray and trust Allah. This is the most important tip. Money and documents are nothing without dua. Ask Allah, grant me a successful visa and safe journey. Allah will make everything right. Ameen. Dear friends, follow these 10 tips and inshallah your US visa and journey will be safe and successful. If this video touched your heart, please like it, subscribe and press the bell so you never miss any tip. Comment below which US city are you planning to go to or what's your visa plan. I'll be so happy to read. Next video coming, how to get a job in USA 2026. Tips for Pakistanis. Allah give you all safe journeys and success. Ameen. Allah Hafiz.